here we go. This is the cat wall. It's just been installed here. Oh.
He thinks this is pretty cool.
Yeah, he does. Thank you for this, Glenn.
More than welcome.
I think the cat's happy too. Look at the humans.
We're easily entertained.
He jumped in the other box.
Look at the humans.
Oh, this is
So
wonderful.
she told the people at ASPCA that we're going to adopt. She says, a human?
Oh, this is great. Looks really clean too. Drum roll, please.
What's he doing?
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Good chicken.
It's too fun.
No, not for a cat. It might take her a little bit to think about it.
She's not silly.
We got experts here today. Oh, what a difference.